Yeah, hello everybody. Today we are going to see about Getein Biotech Cardiac Troponin I fastest kit. Yeah, you can see this is the top view of the kit box. Yeah, over here you can find the brand name Getein Biotech, and this kit box consists of 25 testers. Yeah, this is a C certified IVD product, in vitro diagnostics. Yeah, now we can see the front view. Yeah, this is the front view of the box. Yeah, you can see the product name Cardiac Troponin I fast test kit. This is based on the principle of Immunofluorescence Assay. This test kit is used to determine the cardiac troponin level in human blood or serum. You can see the reference number of the product is IF1001, and this comes up with 25 testers. This is compatible with 1100 Getein analyzer. These are the details present in this side. We can see the other sides of this pack. This is the other side of the pack. You can see the product name cTnI and the storage condition. This product should be sealed at 4 to 30 degrees Celsius, and the shelf life of the product is 24 months. And once the fossil pack is opened, the test card should be used within 1 hour. These are the storage detail present over here. Over here you can also find the brand name Getein Biotech. You can see the manufacturing details over here. These are the details present in it. Now we can unpack this for your reference. We can unpack this. At the top you can find the instruction manual for Cardiac Troponin I fastest kit. This is the instruction manual. You can see the brand name Getein Biotech and product name Cardiac Troponin I fastest kit, and the reference number IF1001. In this instruction manual you can find the summary and what are the reagent content present inside, and what is the principle of the kit, and what are the applicable devices, and storage and stability of this reagent, and precaution and test procedure. All the information have been present in this kit. This is the instruction manual. I'm just going to place this aside. After that you will be having 25 number of sterilely packed pipettes, disposable pipettes. This is used to transfer the sample to the test card. I'm just going to place this. After that you will be having an SD card. This is the SD card provided by Getein Biotech for this product, cTnI Cardiac Troponin I test kit. After that you will be having an whole blood buffer. This is the whole blood buffer for this reagent kit. After that you will be having a test card. This is the test card. You can find the brand name Getein Biotech over here, and product name Cardiac Troponin I fastest kit. This is a C certified IVD product. This is based on the Immunofluorescence Assay. This fossil consists of one test. This is the back side. Over here you can see the storage condition of this pack. This pack should be sealed at 4 to 30 degrees Celsius, and the shelf life of this kit is 24 months. Once the fossil pack is opened, this test card should be used within 1 hour. This is the storage conditions. At the bottom you can see the manufacturing details. These are the content present. Getein Biotech Cardiac Troponin I fastest kit consists of one instruction manual, one SD card for Cardiac Troponin I test kit, and whole blood buffer solution, and 25 number of disposable pipette. This is used to transfer the sample. After that you will be having 25 number of test kits for Cardiac Troponin I fastest kit, These are the content present inside. Thank you.
In this video, we'll demonstrate the test process of cTnI Fast Test Kit. Open the package. You'll find the user manual. Deliver pipette. SD card. Test kit. And the buffer. Please read the user manual carefully before operating. Press the power switch to turn on Getein 1100. Attach the SD card to the SD card recognition zone. Click OK to import the reagent parameters. Remove the test card from the sealed pouch immediately before use. Put the test card on a clean table, horizontally placed. For serum sample, use the sample transfer pipette to deliver 100 microliter of a sample into the sample port on the test card. For whole blood sample, mix the sample thoroughly before use. Open the cap of the blood sample. Use the sample transfer pipette to deliver 100 microliter of a sample into the sample port on the test card. 1 drop of whole blood buffer must be added after loading 100 microliter sample on the test card. Insert the test card into Getein 1100 immediately after sample loading. The analyzer will count down the reaction time. It will be 10 minutes and automatically test the card after reaction time is elapsed. You can check the test results here after the test is done.